With On2Air Backups, you can back up multiple Airtable bases. Now, you can add the backups extension into your Airtable base just like this and use it as is. But if you want to add multiple bases to be backed up, you don't have to add the On2Air extension to every single Airtable base. You can create a backup project from the On2Air Web App. So what you're going to do is go to the On2Air Web App. It's app.on2air.com, and you'll log into your account and you'll see backups here. Now, before you get started, you do need to connect your cloud storage and Airtable to the web app. So all you'll need to do is manage connections, add this here, and then choose Airtable, and then choose your cloud drive, and you'll connect all of those to the web app. Once that's done, you'll go to Backups, and you'll get this dashboard. And what you want to do is choose New Backups and configure your settings. Select your storage connection. So since you've already chosen this, you should be able to choose it from the drop down. Choose your cloud storage, and then here you can either create a new folder in your cloud storage or you can use a current folder. So in this case, I'm just going to use a current folder and save the backup details. And then I'm going to set the schedule. The schedule will depend on the plan you're on. In this case, I'm going to choose weekly and Friday. And then I'm going to choose create schedule. Now we'll go to bases, and this is where we are going to add all of our bases. So click add base to backup, choose your Airtable connection, and then choose the base that you want to add. Add new backup base. Now we go here, add base to backup. Let's choose our second one. Add new backup base. And then let's go ahead and add another one. Add new backup base. And then click done. Now we're going to rename the backup project and choose start backup. So now you can see the backup has started. You can go over here to the history log and start refreshing to see the backups. And you can do this and see once it's backed up. That's how you back up multiple Airtable bases with On2Air Backups.